After after you change the color, click to the option tool, the move tool, and then click to the outside, and then for the shortcut key to create a new text, just simply press the T, then create again a new text. I'm typing a content. Then click again to the option tool. Just select the move tool and then press again the, the T from the keyboard and then create again a new text. Then type the B. I'm going to type a videos. Then back again to the option tool and then choose again the move tool. Then after you typing a text, now I'm going to crop the text and save as a GP. First, I'm going to use a roller for cropping a text. To the right. Another roller. Then before I'm going to crop this navigator, I'm going to save this file as the index for our navigator, for our website. I will choose the file from the menu. Just click file and then choose a save, and then I will file name index and then click for Diane's documents and then click save. And then okay. Then I'm going to back again to the option tool and then choose the crop tool and then drag. And after you drag the tool, the crop tool, just right click, then crop. Then back to the file and then save as, then file name. I'm going to file name as a home. Then choose the JPEG for for the Rapid CSS, then click Save, then OK. Then for the content and videos, just back again to the file and then open the index, and then open the index and open with. Open with to the Adobe Photoshop CS3. Then press OK. Then open. Then after you open, just wait for a while. Then back again to the option tool and then choose again the crop tool and then apply to the navigator. Then right click again and then crop and then save as. Then I'm going to file name as a content, and for the format I'll be choosing a JPEG. Then save, then OK. And for the videos, just close the content and click no. Just open again the index. Then apply again for grabbing a navigator. Then save as. Then I'll file name as a videos. Then choose again the JPEG from the format. Then click save. And tama na yun. Ito yung pagkadaglas. Uy, no-record bro!